guys, welcome back to another video. You see, I am in this game called The Streets. Yeah, The Streets. And we're gonna make sure oh my. It's my friend. We gotta let him in. Come on, we gotta save him. Come on, come on. Okay, so I'm gonna get back to... No! No! We're not gonna let this guy in. Okay. Okay, he's not gonna injure us, I guess. But, we should have the fight. But, we're gonna do... Why do people hate guests? So we're gonna see how we're just gonna do. I got the guest outfit. I do not have any Robux to buy the actual thing, so I just did this. So I like this as my thing. Okay, my buddy just died in there, but we're gonna go beat that guy up. So the door's locked. Oh my. So guys, this is he can go through doors, this guy. Like, he went through the wall. So, we're gonna see why people hate guests. So, we just gotta he's trying to escape. Okay, I'm coming. He's right there. Come on. Safe. Oh my. So, we're just...
You can never get in there now. You can't open it from outside of the window.
So, go see why do people hate guests? Guys, this question might be solved. People do not hate guests, probably. Like, sometimes people might not hate guests, so. But it's a proof that people do hate guests, so we're gonna see why. Why do people hate guests? But I don't know the answer, so I'm gonna see why. You say, watch Genesis video, find out. But I'm gonna make my own. I just wanna make my own, guys. But I think I know why. Because they're annoying and everything, but okay, this guy should get in. This is really cool video. So this is gonna be a really cool video. I know, guys, you cannot hear sounds, but you guys do not hear. If you guys do not hear sounds, it's because I just muted the sounds. So it won't be super loud because it's crazy loud, and it's gonna be so intense loud. So we're just gonna hit this guy. Basically, the video is about just getting people. My bones just broke. Okay. Oh, that is injuring, and oh my. That is so crazy. So, this video is why do people hate guests, but probably not gonna get answers, but, guest? The guest cannot type. What are you talking about? Why are you talking? Basically, we can type, guys. We can type, but we're pretending we can't, so we're not allowed to type because guests cannot type.
We come
from peace. Oh, that guy come from peace. Okay, so we're not gonna hurt them. Let's just get out of here, guys. Because we're in the outside, we need to go in the outside world now because this place, it's too dangerous to be.
They came there for peace. So this is our house. So no, if you're wondering.
A bacon hair. Yeah, it proves a bacon is hate guest, but I don't see any. I don't see any bacon hate guests so much. Like, I don't know why. Sometimes I see it. Like, when bacon hate guests hate people. That's the same guy that got me. That's the same guy.
Guys, where are you? Why are you leaving?
guys, it's not gonna be a long video, but it's just all about a lot of people hate guests, but probably not gonna get answers. I think this is how they hate guests. So we'll basically get some answers. People punching the guest, and another guest saving another guest. So we are getting shot. We're not getting shot today. Guys, I have a pipe now. I can beat the guy up that's trying to get me. So maybe I can just like hit the guy. Get to the end of the video, I'll show you what game mode this is. It's a cool game mode. I'm helping the guy. I'm helping him. Ah! I got injured and shot. No way. This guy is like so crazy. Like he's so crazy. Yeah. I'm okay. Okay. So all we need to do is it's easy. We just gotta go get some guys. Let's see a big guy. Hey you! This is the guy that got me. Oh, we got him. This guy. I hate guests. And this guy wants to punch us. Okay, okay, hold on. Let me just. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna tell you something, but okay. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you want another one, why do people hate guests? It's probably got a lot of thumbs downs because we didn't get really answers. So I tried to get some answers, but we really didn't. But I'm gonna show you what the game is right now. But after we end this, so I hope you enjoyed. I'm not gonna link this game. You just need to go to Roblox and search the game name. I'm gonna tell you the name what it is. So I'm gonna just exit the game out. So exit that out. And the name is The Streets. Just type The Streets. That's it. And it's by Snake World or something. And it's pretty cool. And you can do stuff. You can battle. It's a pretty cool game. And make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new. And see you next.